Imagine stepping into a pod in New York and stepping out in Washington, D.C. just 30 minutes later. This isn't the opening scene of a sci-fi movie. It's the promise of Hyperloop. Envisioned as the next leap in transport technology, Hyperloop aims to catapult land travel into a new era where distances shrink under the might of speed. With pods racing through low-pressure tubes at speeds rivaling airplanes, this groundbreaking innovation stands poised to redefine not just travel times, but the very concept of geographical and economic boundaries, offering a glimpse into a future where the world is more connected than ever. Understanding Hyperloop technology. Hyperloop technology harnesses the principles of magnetic levitation and vacuum mechanics to achieve its groundbreaking speeds. At its core, the system consists of pods that float using magnetic levitation, eliminating nearly all friction that typically limits the speed of ground-based transportation. These pods travel inside tubes from which most of the air has been removed to create a near-vacuum environment. This drastic reduction in air resistance allows the pods to move at speeds that can surpass 600 kilometers per hour, with some tests aiming for the once-thought impossible 1,000 kilometers per hour mark. The operational premise of Hyperloop is relatively straightforward, yet profoundly impactful. Magnetic arrays in the pod interact with an electrically charged track, propelling the pod forward through electromagnetic propulsion. This method not only contributes to the incredible speed, but also ensures a smooth, quiet ride free from the turbulence encountered in air travel. Safety mechanisms are integrated into the design, including emergency brakes and redundant systems that maintain stability and control even at peak velocities. Recent advancements have brought this technology closer to practical implementation. Testing tracks in various parts of the world are witnessing these principles brought to life as engineers refine the systems to ensure efficiency, safety, and reliability. With each successful test, the dream of transforming these high-speed pods from prototypes into everyday transportation options gets tantalizingly closer, marking significant milestones in the journey of Hyperloop from concept to reality. Current developments and trials. Hyperloop technology is rapidly advancing, with significant milestones recently achieved across the globe. In China, Hyperloop has shattered previous speed records, with a new benchmark set at over 623 kilometers per hour. This achievement underscores the technological capabilities and potential of Hyperloop systems to redefine high-speed travel. Meanwhile, Europe has become a hotbed for Hyperloop development. The European Hyperloop Center, a hub for innovation, is developing a 2-kilometer test track designed to push the boundaries of this technology even further. This site aims to not only test speeds, but also explore the practicalities of integrating Hyperloop into existing transportation networks. In the Middle East, significant investments are being made to establish Hyperloop as a key component of the region's future infrastructure. Test tracks are being constructed to demonstrate the feasibility and efficiency of Hyperloop systems in transforming regional travel dynamics. These developments are not just technical trials. They are proving grounds for Hyperloop's operational viability and safety standards, setting the stage for future commercial deployment. These trials and developments represent more than just technological triumphs. They are critical steps towards making Hyperloop a reliable and efficient form of public transportation. Each successful test not only validates the concept, but also enhances our understanding of what it will take to integrate such revolutionary technology into our daily lives. Potential impact on global travel. The advent of Hyperloop technology promises to revolutionize global travel by significantly reducing travel times between major cities. Imagine the impact on business efficiency if commutes between cities like Los Angeles and San Francisco or New York and Washington, D.C. could be completed in under an hour. Hyperloop aims to make this a reality, turning long-distance commutes into brief, manageable jaunts. This shift in travel dynamics could lead to a renaissance in global business and tourism. Faster travel times will enable more frequent face-to-face meetings, potentially leading to stronger international collaborations and partnerships. Additionally, the ease of travel could greatly boost tourism, allowing people to visit multiple major cities within a single day without the need for overnight stays. the ripple effects on local economies could be substantial, with increased visitor numbers driving demand in hospitality, retail, and entertainment sectors. Moreover, Hyperloop's promise of rapid, on-demand transportation aligns well with the growing emphasis on sustainability. By providing a faster, more energy-efficient mode of transport than airplanes or traditional rail, Hyperloop could also play a significant role in reducing global carbon emissions associated with travel. The integration of this technology into the existing transport infrastructure could therefore not only redefine how we travel, but also contribute to broader environmental goals, making it a cornerstone of future sustainable travel initiatives, economic and environmental benefits. Hyperloop technology is poised to deliver substantial economic and environmental benefits. Economically, Hyperloop could significantly reduce the cost and time associated with transporting goods and people over long distances. By decreasing transit times, Hyperloop facilitates quicker turnover rates, enhancing productivity and economic output. Moreover, the efficient movement of goods could lower supply chain costs, potentially reducing prices for consumers and increasing access to markets for businesses. Environmentally, Hyperloop stands out for its potential to drastically cut carbon emissions compared to traditional modes of transport like cars, airplanes, and conventional trains. The system's reliance on electricity, ideally sourced from renewable energy, and its highly efficient propulsion technology contribute to a much lower carbon footprint. This aligns well with global efforts to combat climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Furthermore, the shift to Hyperloop could relieve congestion on heavily trafficked routes, decreasing overall vehicle emissions and improving air quality in densely populated areas. Challenges and controversies. Hyperloop faces significant challenges that could impede its development and widespread adoption. Technical challenges include developing a safe, reliable system that can operate at extremely high speeds in varied environmental conditions. The construction of infrastructure necessary for Hyperloop, such as vacuum-sealed tubes and stations, involves substantial upfront costs, which pose financial risks. Regulatory challenges are also significant, as safety, land use, and cross-border cooperation must be addressed to integrate Hyperloop systems into existing transport networks. Public acceptance and political support are crucial, as the concept still faces skepticism regarding its feasibility and safety. These hurdles necessitate ongoing research, substantial investment, and thoughtful policymaking to ensure that Hyperloop can transition from an innovative concept to a practical and safe transportation option. The road ahead. For Hyperloop to transition from a visionary concept to a functional reality, significant hurdles need to be overcome. This will require not only technological breakthroughs and financial investment, but also robust international collaboration. Countries and corporations will need to work together to standardize regulations, ensure safety standards, and foster public and political support. Continued innovation and strategic partnerships are essential to navigate the complex landscape of implementing such a transformative transportation technology on a global scale. What do you think about the potential of Hyperloop technology to change the way we travel? Can you imagine shortening your commute between cities to just minutes? Share your thoughts and any questions you might have in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed the insights, and subscribe to stay updated on more discussions like this. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next exploration into the future of technology and travel.